Namaste, this is Nisha Thakur here, and in this video I will explain fraction. And working with fractions is a very important foundation to algebra, so this is very important. So here we will briefly review reducing, multiplying, dividing, adding and subtracting fractions. So shall we start? We always like our final answer when working with fractions to be reduced, and reducing fractions is simply done by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So first we have to find out here greatest common factor, G, C, F, greatest common factor, and here 36 and 84 greatest common factor is 12. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 12, and we get answer 36 divided by 12 is 3 and 84 divided by 12 is 7. So this is very simple if you know greatest common factor. Otherwise you can divide by 2, then 2 and then 3. So it's your choice. Okay, another question. So how to multiply? So the easiest operation with fractions is multiplication, and we can multiply fractions by multiplying straight across, multiplying numerators together and denominator together. So if question is 6 upon 7 multiply 3 upon 5. So first check here their common factor. If yes, so please reduce first. Otherwise you can simply multiply numerator across and denominator across. So here no common factor, so we can easily multiply. Numerator across 6 times 3, 18, and 7 times 5 is 35, and this is the answer. Okay, now for example here other question is 25 divided by 24 multiply 32 upon 55. Okay, so we can easily see here common something common factor. So you can reduce like vertically or diagonally, whatever here possible. So 24 and 55 have common 5. So both numerator and denominator divide by 5. So 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 times 11 is 55. And now here 32 and 24, both numbers have common 8. So 8 times 4 is 32 and 8 times 3 24. Okay, now here we reduced everything, every number. Now we can simply multiply 5 times 4 20 and 3 times 11 33. So this is our next question. Okay, now we learn how to divide fractions. So dividing fractions is very similar to multiplying with an one extra step. So like here 21 upon 16 divided by 28 upon 6. So what we will do here, just like multiply, but here just one extra step I am telling you. 21 upon 16, divide sign convert into multiply, and this second fraction reciprocal. So 28 upon 6 now becomes 6 upon 28. and make sure here any common factor. So if you have here, so you can reduce first and then multiply. Don't multiply first and then reduce, because it will be more difficult. Try to reduce first. Okay, so 21 and 28 both have common 7. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 4, 28. Okay, 6 and 4 here common something, and 6 and 16 also here common. So here common 2. We can reduce this one also vertically or diagonally, your choice. I'm reducing here, cancelling diagonally. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, now we can here every number reduced, and now we can multiply. 3 times 3, 9, and 8 times 4, 32. So this is our final answer. Okay, now we have to discuss about how to add or subtract fractions. So here make sure um, denominator are same or not. So for example here 7 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. So here same denominator. So yes, our condition is if same denominator, so we can add or subtract according to this numerator. So 7 plus 3 upon 8, and keep right denominator. Okay, so this is 10 upon 8, and we can reduce, because final answer always in reduced form. So we can here what is greatest common factor? Yes, 2. So we can divide by 2 both in numerator and denominator. So 10 divided by 2, 5. 8 divided by 2, 4. And this is our final answer. Okay, now we can take um, 13 divided by 6 minus 9 upon 6. Here also same denominator, so keep right, and now we can easily subtract numerator. So this is 4 upon 6, and here 2 is greatest common factor, so we can divide. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, now so here we choose two questions. One is addition and subtraction when denominator are same. Now I am taking when denominator are different. So 5 upon 6 plus 4 upon 9. So what should we do? First we have to make same denominator. For making, okay, so here we have to take a least common denominator, LCD, least common denominator of 6 and 9 is 18. Okay, so here we have to make denominator 18. So for making denominator 18, what should we multiply here? 6 times 3, 18. So multiply, remember here, always multiply or divide in numerator and denominator with same number. Okay, okay, now here 9 times 2 is 18. So like this. Okay, 5 times 3, 15, and this is 18 plus 8 upon 18. Okay, now same denominator we can easily add numerator. So 15 plus 8, 23 upon 18. And this is our answer. Okay, I am taking one more question. 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6. Okay, so here a different denominator. So we have to make same denominator first. What is least common denominator of 3 and 6 is 6. So simply here multiply with 2 because 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. So here 4 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6. Now same denominator. Okay, keep right denominator here and simply subtract numerator. 4 minus 1, 3 upon 6. And remember, always give answer in reduced form. So here common denominator, common factor is 3. So 3 here both numerator and denominator divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our final answer is 1 upon 2. So if you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Have a nice time.